Hello, my name is Danilo Moroni, and I'm an authorized Google Education trainer. Today I'm going to explain how you can convert a Microsoft Word document into a Google document, and then how to take that document and add more fonts using an add-on called Extensis. Let's begin. The first thing we want to do is we want to be able to get something that looks like this. It's an extension called Office Editing for Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Now, if you're familiar with the Google voice commands, there's an easy way to do that. Simply say, "OK Google, Office Editing." It'll be the first thing that you come across. Click on that. Mine has already been added to Chrome, and I would urge you to add it yourself. It's a free add-on. Once you've added that to Chrome, open up a new tab, Control-T or Command-T, and what you can do then is basically take a Microsoft document and just drag it into Chrome, and it'll open up like magic. Note here that if you try and drag this into the search box here, nothing will happen. If you drag it into the Omni box, likewise, nothing will happen. So you really need to bring it onto the main white area of the page. What we have now is a Word document which is open in Chrome, and you can actually edit this. So, edit. Okay, there are two options here. Once you're finished with all of your writing, you can continue to download it, your final version, as a Word document. For our purposes, however, I want my students to be able to save this in Google Drive as a Google Doc. Well, this is done in a really great and easy fashion. Simply go to Share, Save as Google Docs, and watch as it works its magic, converting Word to Docs. Now we have the same exact, oh yay, hooray, we've done it. Same exact text, but now it's in a Google Doc. The next thing we want to do is we want to be able to add more text options to what we normally have. Generally, we have the regular choices here, but we want to be able to add more fonts. There's an add-on, let's see here, get add-ons called Extensis Fonts. Now to get that, you can simply just go over here, OK Google, Extensis Fonts. I almost said farts there, that was kind of funny. Anyway, you'll notice here it's a Google Docs add-on. And once it's there, you simply go ahead and click free. And it's free, and you simply go ahead and add that. Mine is already there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the Google Doc. You'll notice Word has a W, and the Google Docs, the icon is a blue background with the white writing in the front. We're going to go to add-ons here. Well, first, we'll do a Control-A, so we highlight the entire text, or Command-A. Go to add-ons, and once you've installed Extensis Fonts, you'll see this. Go to Start, and on the right-hand side, all of the font options will appear. Now you'll notice all of the fonts have been included, but you can filter by display, handwriting, monospace, and so on. The other option is to go alphabetical, the date it was added, popularity, trending, and so on. So let's take a look at trending. Oh, this one looks interesting. Inknut Antiqua. Click on that, and you'll notice how everything changes on the left side. And that looks really cool, so we're going to keep that. Simply get rid of this on the side, and that looks nice. And that's all there is to it. So let's go through the process briefly one more time to make sure we understand what's happening here. The first thing we want to do is we want to be able to install Office Editing for Docs and Sheets and Slides. It's an extension, and it's a free extension. After you've done that, you can simply drag your Google Docs straight into Chrome. Remember again, that it will not work if you go into the search box or if you try to go into the Omni box. That won't work either. It has to be somewhere in the white or background area. It can be anywhere else. Okay. Once that's done, you can either download it as another Microsoft Word file, or you can share it and save as a Google Doc. Okay, and then we have the add-on, the Extensis Fonts. And what we want to do first is we want to highlight that, go to Add-ons, Start. You'll notice the add-ons end up over here. And we're going to go to Trending again. And Italiana, it looks really nice as well, so we'll try that. Once we decided on the font that we would like, we simply go ahead and click on it, and there we have it. Remember, you can share this as a backup with yourself too. So I'm going to go ahead and share this and make sure I can edit my own document. Once I've done that, it'll go straight to my email. And there it is. And then you can simply open in Docs. And you'll notice that the completely converted document, Google Doc, is here with the Extensis font that we've chosen. I would urge you guys to really work with this, especially if you have students who really have a hard time kind of distancing themselves from Microsoft Word. This is a great option that you can use instead. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you've learned something new today. This is Danilo Moroni signing off. Aloha.